Shabran Dar served as a centurion of the World Eaters' 11th Assault Company during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Nicknamed White Eyes by his legion, Dar bore stone-grey eyes with white irises, a trait native to his death world of Kufasti. A young officer, Dar quickly ascended through the ranks of the 12th Legion after many distinguished battles and victories. Implanted with the Butcher's nails to enhance his aggression, Dar would serve the World Eaters as a respected and fierce battle brother. Yet despite his loyal service to his Gene Father and Legion, he would be marked for death during the betrayal at the Battle of Istvan III. Surviving the initial orbital bombardment, Dar would defend himself from his attackers during the battle, harnessing his boundless rage into a means to carve his vengeance across the battle-torn surface of Istvan III. Dar would fell many of his former battle brothers and collect their skulls, taking great delight in killing traitor officers and mounting their heads on spikes for their allies to discover. Resolving not to give in to his feral slaughter, Shabran would cage his wrath to be better used in future skirmishes. Commanding the loyalist World Eater forces of Istvan III, Dar would be one of the most crucial officers of the doomed resistance. Shabran's men would fight within a killing field of their own design. They would claim many scores of kills larger than their losses to the north of the Precentor's palace within the Coral City. Dar would unleash his rage, killing until the bitter end. Eventually surrounded by his treacherous brothers, Dar would perish in glorious slaughter.